The Redmi 10A is a newer baby in the Redmi family. This device has a 720p display, a 5000 mAh battery and a 13 megapixel camera at the back, and it is powered by a 12nm Helio G25 processor for only 66,000 Nigerian naira or $130. Remember that this display doesn't support a 90Hz refresh rate, while the Tecno Spark 8C at the same price supports a higher refresh rate display. The question is, will you spend your 66,000 naira on this device, or would you rather spend it on a device that will give you a higher refresh rate display and an extra RAM size? Yeah, that is why I made this video for you who are watching it. My name is Derek. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are very much welcome. I did appreciate it if you click that red subscribe button on your screen right now and ring the bell icon to remind you when next I post another video. First of all, let's see what's inside the box. Immediately you get into the box, you are greeted with the device wrapped in a nice looking nylon, a SIM tray ejector tool, 3 booklets which includes the warranty and the guide, and a standard USB to micro USB cord and a charging brick. You don't get a case and earpiece in the box. Now back to the device itself. The Redmi 10A feels quite cheap. It is made from a plastic material that picks up fingerprints with every touch, and a fingerprint scanner located at the back of the device within the same camera module. At the bottom are the mic, micro USB port and the speaker grill. On the right side you will get the volume rocker and the power button, while on the left you will get the SIM tray, and at the top you only get the earphone jack. At the front of this device you will get a 6.5 inches 720p IPS display that gives you good color accuracy and looks vibrant for an IPS display. It has a peak brightness of 400 nits that gets bright enough for usage outside but not directly under the sun. Inside this device, the processing power on the Redmi 10A is the Helio G25 processor, which is a 12nm build. It has up to 6 different variants, which allows you to pick the perfect storage capacity that fits within your budget. They include the 2GB RAM paired with 32GB ROM, 3GB RAM paired with a 32 or 64GB ROM, which is a variant I have here with me, a 4GB RAM with a 64GB or 128GB ROM, and a 6GB RAM paired with a 128GB of internal storage. You can also expand the storage using the SD card slot provided for you. Xiaomi was generous enough to allow you use 1GB from your internal storage to add up to your physical RAM to get 4GB RAM in total. I would say that this device is not meant for heavy users. Virtually everything you would want to do on this device should be kept very minimal, so you don't get to stress the CPU and come down with performance lag. Please, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button below so we can get to 500 subscribers as soon as possible. On the software part, it comes with Xiaomi MIUI 12.5 on Android 11. It is the normal interface you will get from all Redmi devices. Now in the camera department, you are getting a single camera, which is a 13 megapixel primary lens of f2.2 along with an LED flash on the rear, while a single 5 megapixel selfie shooter is kept up front for your selfie pictures. The pictures I took on the Redmi 10A were all good looking, the colors were vibrant and had more of a warm tint. I noticed that the pictures taken with the HDR on was a lot sharper and color accurate compared to the ones when the HDR is turned off. Okay, what's up guys, this is the front facing camera of the Xiaomi Redmi 10A, and it is maxed out at 1080p 30fps, while at the back you also get a maxed out video quality at 1080p 30fps. So this is the audio quality as well. You can let me know in the comment section below how the audio quality sounds. Thank you. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you've gotten to this part. Thank you. The Redmi 10A has a 5000 mAh battery with a regular 10W charger, which took about 2 hours or more to get up to 100%. Outside that, the battery can last you for a day and even carry you till half the next day, depending on your usage. Generally, the Redmi 10A is not a device you would want to stress in any way for things like making calls, light internet browsing with 4G, consuming multimedia and light gaming. I would say that this device is something that you need to handle with ease, but if being pushed with a high graphics game, that means you start seeing lags. And I tell you, this is not something you would want to experience on a device like this. The Redmi 10A is priced at 66,000 naira or $130, which is somehow overpriced, judging by the specifications and what you get at the same price from other manufacturers. You can check out my review on the Redmi 10C using the card above or in the description below if you want something that can give you more performance but with extra cash on top. That's been it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please kindly hit the like button, also subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the post notification to always get notified whenever I post a new video. I really appreciate every one of you for always coming back to watch my videos repeatedly and even the newcomers who I believe that they will stick back and subscribe to always return when next I post a new video. Thank you so much. You can also check out the videos on your screen right now, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.